This video demonstrates how to use the along curve pattern command with the chord length option to precisely pattern a chain link along a curve. The chord length option is used to control spacing and orientation. The link part used in this example is already associated with the curve. Let's get started. Click the along curve command located in the pattern group on the Home tab. First, select the item or items to pattern. These can be parts, subassemblies or patterns. In this example, the link part is being patterned. Click the green check to confirm the selection. Next, select the edge or curve for the pattern to follow. Confirm the selection. Now, we are ready to specify the anchor point, which is the point at which the pattern starts. The anchor point is defined by a curve endpoint. The dynamic arrow on the anchor point determines the direction in which the pattern runs. In this example, an offset start point is the distance by which the pattern is offset from the anchor point. In this example, the offset point is the key point in the sketch for the link part. Accept the selection. As you can see in the preview of the pattern, the links are spaced while using the chord length pattern type, but ultimately not patterned correctly. We will look at options to set the pattern alignment in the next step. Before moving on, let's take a deeper look at the chord length pattern type and the importance of the skip value. In our example, we are patterning a single link component. What if we need to pattern a chain with multiple link components using chord length? For instance, this simplified chainsaw chain has a cutting head on every other link. In this example, we can pattern both the cutter and driver links with a skip value of 1. By using a skip value of 1, you can place each pattern individually instead of manually suppressing pattern instances. Note that the skip value only applies to patterns where the chord length is specified as the pattern type. Let's return to the original single link chain example. We will click next to see options for setting the pattern alignment. The initial occurrence orientation, in this example, is follow curve. We will update the occurrence orientation to be follow curve chord. Follow curve chord is the best option in this example because it draws line segments between all the instance points and then uses these line segments to set the orientation rather than the actual curve. The improvement in the pattern is visible immediately. Click Preview to see what the constructed feature will look like. Click Finish to build the pattern. You've reached the end of this video.